So I was just playing with some little cardstock and just was blowing the inks around with a heat gun. And I thought I might be able to do something with this one. I think what I'm going to do first is just get a little alcohol. Actually, I'm going to take some blue. I'm going to go in the center and I'm just going to maybe blow some petals out. And I'm going to use a straw and I might use an airbrush. I think I'll use the airbrush to dry that a little bit. Hope you don't have too much glare. That's interesting, but I got a little bit of a poopy color there, so let me try getting rid of that with a little extra blue. Not what I was trying to do, but let's try this. That's yucky. Okay. Let's see a little flower here. I'm just going to take just a tiny drop of black and quickly get that dried. I'm just going to see if I can make a little bit of a shadow. It's not pitch black either. It's just pinata, just the Mantilla black. Yes, those are dogs. So I like to sometimes just drop a drop of alcohol on and see what happens, and like sometimes you get an eyeball effect. So I'm liking that. The only thing I'm not liking is this is kind of weird here. Maybe gives the effect kind of stems, but I feel like I'm going to goof it up if I keep playing with it. But it does definitely need a little bit of color. So maybe I'm going to just put a little of the Senorita and a tiny bit of blue there. I kind of need to mix it in a little bit because I'm going to end up with just a solid, and how this is all mixed in, it's kind of pretty. I kind of like it. It's unique. So I don't want to make it so monotone. There, now I've done something I did not intend to. Okay. Let's just keep doing that. You can use this kind of as a light source, and whenever I do blooms, I like to, for some reason, have them kind of like they're in motion, so. So we're just going to call this the weird eyeball bloom. Didn't mud it up right there though, so let's give it some definition. Let's let that go out. Take a drop of just Blanco Pinata. Ooh, I have a weird little baby in there. This is just a, oops, Artistro. It's a paint marker pen. I'm just gonna throw some dots in there. It's the only color I have up here, so that's all that's going to happen with this. As far as the paint pens, I think I'm going to take a little more of the Blanco. I don't think I have any pitch white handy, or snow cap, I should say, not pitch black and snow cap. The go-tos for alcohol ink people that I do not have. just have a gel pen. Just gonna make some, put a little bit of interest in here with the gel pen. This is a Sakura Jelly Roll 10. To keep scraping it though, it will pick up the whatever you've got underneath it and goop it up. So this is just going to end up being a weird little abstract card that I'll put in with other greeting cards that I make, and they go to an artisan shop that I sell at, and they sell pretty well and they're fun to make, because when you have a goof up or something you're not sure of, you can always make a card out of it and sign it. Someone is going to get your original art. If they want to take it off the little card and frame it, just use double-sided tape on a piece of cardstock. Just like this kind of just plain old cardstock, cut it in half. And then on Amazon you can get colored envelopes. And I just match, I always use like a gray cardstock because it's so neutral. And then I match the color, some of the predominant colors, you know, like this one actually might be nice with a yellow envelope. There's not much yellow, so maybe that would give it some nice contrast. But anyway, so just kind of a little weird thing that was started with just a mess that wasn't very interesting. I almost feel like I should, let's give it a couple of leaves, or maybe a little, I don't know, a little bug or something. And I don't know if I like that, but it is weird. And I'm just going to sign it there in the corner. And we have just a kind of a fun piece of oddity, strangeness that I love to do. Thanks for doing this with me.